SLS blasted off on November 16th. On top of the vehicle, the Orion spacecraft, now behind the moon. Following liftoff and the climb to orbit, the translunar injection burn took place. Distance from Earth, 268,563 miles. Orion now has its sights set on home. At the closest approach this morning, Orion will be about 80 miles above the lunar surface. As part of the Artemis program, the Gateway program is building a small human-tended space station orbiting the moon that will provide extensive capabilities to support NASA's Artemis campaign. Sustain exploration and research in deep space, and will include docking ports for a variety of visiting spacecraft, as well as crew to live and work, and onboard science investigations. We're 20 days into a 25-and-a-half-day mission. You are seeing a view of the lunar surface. We are hearing that the Orion spacecraft is now in the proper attitude ahead of today's burn. The bright spot that you see there, that's Copernicus crater. That's a fairly young crater, and that's why it still appears fairly bright. The dark region, that's the Imbrium Basin. But once upon a time, the moon was covered in a global magma ocean. You're also looking at the Orion capsule itself there, taking up the majority of your screen. You can see the kind of silver coloring of the capsule. This is the portion that when we have a crew on board as part of Artemis 2 that they will be living and working in during their trip to the moon and beyond. On the right of your screen there, you can see one of the windows that our crew members will have the opportunity to look out from. This is not a goodbye, but a see you later to the moon, our nearest celestial neighbor, as we begin to get our first glimpse of an Earthrise coming into frame. In this view, we see 8 billion human lives all existing upon our pale blue dot, our blue marble, our very own spaceship Earth.
And after a long journey, Orion is now coming home.